Today we'll be doing the integral from 0 to 1 of the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. And to start off, we can make a substitution. We could let x equal to the sine of theta, which means that dx is equal to the derivative sine, which is cosine theta, d theta. We can solve for x here. So theta is arc sine of x. Now we can find our new bounds of integration. So theta sub 1 is going to be arc sine of 0, and that's going to be 0. And theta sub 2 is the arc sine of 1. So if you look back to the unit circle, here's 0, here's 1, and the angle here is pi over 2. And sine is for the y coordinate, so it's going to be pi over 2. So our new bounds of integration is for theta in the interval 0 to pi over 2. So this is our a and this is our b. So we have the integral from 0 to pi over 2. So now the square root of 1 minus x squared, you can check. It's going to be the cosine of theta by Pythagorean identities. So square root of 1 minus x squared is cosine theta times dx, which is the cosine of theta, d theta. So we have the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of cosine squared theta, d theta. So now we just have to evaluate this integral. So we have to use the identity that cosine squared of theta is equal to 1/2 1 plus the cosine of 2 theta. So our integral is now the integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 2 theta, d theta. We could put the 1/2 in front of the integral sign. We have 1/2 integral from 0 to pi over 2 of 1 plus cosine 2 theta. So we have 1/2 brackets. We're going to have theta plus 1/2 sine 2 theta, where I'm evaluating this from 0 to pi over 2. So evaluating at those endpoints, we have 1/2 pi over 2 plus 1/2 sine of 2 times pi over 2. That's the f of b term minus the f of a term. So 0 plus 1/2 the sine of 2 times 0. That's the f of a term. So we have 1/2 pi over 2 plus 1/2. That cancels. We have the sine of pi minus 0 plus 1/2 times the sine of 0. But we know that the sine of 0 is 0 and 0 plus 0 is 0. So now this turns into 1/2 pi over 2 plus the sine of pi, if we recall, is also 0. So we have 1/2 times pi over 2, which is equal to pi over 4. And this is the final result. Thank you very much for watching.